I had my daughter write a morbid school family tree project. My biological family is gone. I grew up in foster care, so my friends became my family. I met my late husband in college. He was raised solely by his mother, who later abandoned him and eventually passed away. He had no adoptive family. As an adult, I looked into both of our family trees, and to put it mildly, our biological ancestors were either dangerous people or deceased. My late husband and our older son passed away in a car accident. My daughter is in kindergarten, and she, more accurately I, was supposed to do a family tree project for school. I tried explaining to her teacher that this wouldn't be some cheerful picture-perfect report, but she just couldn't grasp the idea that, for some people, family is a complicated and even dark subject. She insisted it had to be biological. So I did it. Some of them, like her father and my son, I have actual information, for aside from that, they're dead. But for most of my family and her paternal family, I literally only have birth dates, death dates, when they would have had their kids, and cemetery information, unless they were cremated. It was supposed to have 10 pictures, but most of what I have of my ancestors are just headstones. When my husband and I first married, I took a trip to photograph them, so I included those. I only have 3 photos of my biological family, mostly group shots where I can only identify a few people. I don't have any pictures of my late husband's family before me and the kids, but I added some older ones as well. So while the other kids had long family trees, my daughter was basically introducing the concept of death to her kindergarten class. Now I'm getting slammed with calls from other parents, the teacher, and the principal. They're appalled that I allowed such a morbid